Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are watching my last few videos, you'll know that I've been doing paid surveys and testing websites in order to earn money on the site. However, even though I earned some money from these things, they were not particularly fun or scalable in the least. So I decided to go back to the drawing board to think about what side hustles that I can potentially try out and have fun along the way as well. So I started listing down the skills that I currently have, which are Photoshop, video editing, my physiotherapy skills, and possibly finance stuff. I started to list down things that I do enjoy, which are like gaming, helping people and being kind to people, challenging myself to make more money, and thinking about new and creative ideas that I can start on. So instead of thinking of a whole new different side hustle, what if I can just choose one of these things from each list to really combine them together and make them fun and entertaining for you guys? So I decided to choose Photoshop and combine it with helping people, and voila, a new idea was formed. The idea is to use Photoshop to recreate thumbnails for these YouTubers in order to increase the views on their videos. I think that my thumbnail making skills are only substandard, but just imagine how much they will improve if I spend every single week helping all these YouTubers improve on their thumbnails to get more views. This will be killing two birds with one stone because I get to improve my thumbnail making skills and I also help these YouTubers improve their view counts on their videos. So how do I plan on making this happen? Number one, I've not touched Photoshop in over a whole year, so I will have to go and relearn it and brush up my skills again. I first learned Photoshop and video editing from this website called Skillshare. It's basically a website that you can learn all these kind of different skills like Photoshop, video editing, and many more, which brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. I'm just joking, they're not sponsoring my video. But in all seriousness, you can learn technically almost anything on Skillshare when you sign up for a free trial, and then you can just cancel it before it expires, before you even have to pay anything. So like I mentioned from before, the first step is I'm going to brush up on my Photoshop skills first. Then I'm going to start off with looking through the niches that I usually watch on YouTube during my free time. These niches that I usually watch are usually finance-based, lifestyle, food, and productivity channels. I will then pick one of these niches and then really double down into it to see what kind of thumbnails really work well for these videos. After that, I will choose certain YouTubers and find videos that didn't do very well. Based on the content, I will summarize what I think the video is about and then think of creating several thumbnails that can better fit that video in order for them to improve and really increase their view counts. I must admit that the first few thumbnails that I'm going to create for this new challenge is probably going to be really bad, but who cares anyway, I'm just going to have fun doing it and polish up my skills as well. I'm going to focus on having fun and really just focus on this side project to help people and polish up my thumbnail making skills. Looking back at this video in the future, I will be able to see this whole archive of thumbnails that I've created and see how much I've improved. This is honestly such an interesting project and I can't wait to get it started. For the first time, I'm not going to think about how much money I'm going to potentially make, but really focus on how much fun I'm going to have in this project. So if you guys are interested to find out more about this side hustle journey, definitely follow me to find out more. Hopefully you guys will have as much fun as me on this journey that I'm about to show you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye! I started listing down the skills that I currently have, which are my photography skills, my physiotherapy skills. I don't have any photography skills.